Whether you are a fresher, journalist, factory worker, or a salaried employee, India's labor laws governing your job have just been rewritten. India's biggest labor reform since independence is now in force. In a major push to protect workers' rights and modernize workplaces, the Government of India has rolled out the most significant labor reforms in the decades. The union government has merged 29 central labor laws into 4 labor codes on wages, social security, workplace safety, and industrial relations. And the spotlight today is the Industrial Relations Code. Let's find out what is this Industrial Relations Code and how does it aim to reform the workplace. This code aims to make doing business easier while expanding workers' protections from freshers to women to working journalists. The code caps wage exclusion at 50%, ensuring benefits like gratuity, retrenchment pay are calculated on real earnings, not manipulated wage structures. Trade unions get legal recognition. A union with 51% membership becomes the negotiating union, bringing clearer, faster industrial negotiations. Fixed-term employees will now get the same wages, hours, and benefits as permanent staff, helping freshers gain skills without exploitation. Fixed-term employment under the new labor framework means that workers hired for a specific period, such as a project, season, or a contract, will no longer be treated as second-class employees. Earlier, fixed-term or contract workers were often paid less, denied allowances, and excluded from social security benefits. Faster dispute resolution. Minor offences are decriminalized. Tribunals are streamlined and cases can now move faster without long government approvals. Strikes and layoffs. What are the new rules? Mass casual leave by over 50% workers now count as strike. A 14-day notice is mandatory. Establishment with 300 plus workers need prior approval before layoffs or closure. Worker definition is expanded. Sales promotion staff, working journalists, and supervisory employees earning up to rupees 18,000 a month are now classified as workers. That means better access to job security, healthcare, sick leave, and social protections. Boost for women at work. The code ensures women's representation in grievance panels and officially recognizes work from home in many sectors. The labor reforms came into force on November 21, 2025, setting the stage for a faster, fairer, and more inclusive economy.